Hello and welcome to the trade breakdown series. This is the first trade breakdown on this channel, and we are going to be talking about the trade I took on gold spot on Tuesday, February 4th. And I shared all the profits and the results of that trade on all my socials on Instagram, on X, and I promised a trade breakdown. So here we are with the video, and let's dive right into it. So as we can see, I took the trade on 4th of February on Tuesday in the London session, and we had a red folder JOLTS job openings release at 10 a.m. in the following New York session only. So on the charts, as we can see on the weekly levels, we had clear IRL to ERL move, and price was right above the ERL. So price had swept the ERL, and we were trading this week's weekly candle. Price was respecting all the higher time frame as well as the intermediate time frame areas very beautifully. As we can see on the daily levels here, price has respected the daily fair value gaps not once but twice and swept the ERL on this candle. And this is the Monday candle of this week open. So we had left a very good fair value gap. We had swept the external range liquidity with great displacement. We tapped back into this fair value gap on Monday and we pushed on from here. The trades picture would be more clear on the 4 hourly. As we can see, this is the Monday candle. Price dived back inside the range, took support of this daily fair value gap, and look at the move that it gave. Left a bullish 4 hour fair value gap open, which led to a consolidation across the remainder of the New York session as well as the Tokyo session, the Asian session. And we saw a manipulation, accumulation throughout the Asian session, followed by a manipulation inside the London session, completing our AMD profile. And we can see on the 15 minute, this is the entire accumulation from the late New York session to the Asian session, and then we saw a 3 o'clock manipulation in the London session, giving a market structure shift. Look at the volume at these candles, and then we had an entry. We had a first entry from this fair value, from this 15-minute order block, bullish order block, and then we took a second entry from this order block here, and we had stops below these swings for both the positions that we created, and we exited the position, the first position right above these highs and the second position, both for an accumulative of 2.5 hours. So both the positions were exited for 2 hours, and we generated a generous $4,000 from it. So yeah, that's all for this trade breakdown. And I have a trade checklist as well as this trade was shared in my Discord. So please make sure to join my Discord. We post daily updates on our Discords where we are aiming the price to go to what we are actually looking at in the markets at the moment. As well as we have a small short trade checklist that I use personally as well before getting into any positions. So make sure you're not missing out on that. Until then, happy trading. Stay safe. Bye.